Hi, crazy people. Lena is back. That's right. And I have a new place. And guess what? I'm throwing an after party, and you are invited. So come on over. We are about to have a lot of fun. Let me present to you the four most exciting, bold, and entertaining video productions of my career. Romance Overdose. Of course, this show is making a comeback because it's your favorite and my favorite show. Romance Overdose is going to be the only bilingual show. It's going to be in Urdu and English language both. And then after that, we are going to have Love Bazaar, a show based on everything from self love to the love universe. Moving up a notch from there, we're gonna talk like grown ups and talk about love, sex, and modern day relationships. And the final place is going to be a place of empowerment, exploration, and creative inspiration, a program designed just for your freedom. You can access all these wonderful shows and so much more video content. That's right, anytime from any device in your privacy. And you can join in three different categories. You can be a VIP, or you can be a star, or you can be an ace. So click on your favorite subscription and join today. And guess what? If you join today, you get access to Lena Shah behind the scenes. That's right, Lena Shah, BTS for you if you subscribe today. So click on your favorite membership and subscribe today and be a part of my world. Become a Lena lover because I'm gonna take a dive. I'm going in deep. So what are you waiting for? Come on over. I'm not going by myself. Welcome to the after party.